Super girl. Do it again.
Super girl.
Yeah, super girl.
Super girl.
To the rescue. Oh, there she is.
I take a picture of her.
Yep. Ta-da. You guys having fun?
Can you do this one for Cash? What's Cash's?
What'd you get today? Show me the furniture you got. Got a TV and a TV stand and a little table and a couch and a lamp and what's that? Turn it around. Turn around. A refrigerator. Wow, you guys got some cool furniture. You got a stove. Very cool. Who got you that?
Zuzu.
Zuzu got it. Who's on it?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Who's on yours?
Princesses.
Princesses. Hey, did you guys know that it's bad luck to open an umbrella in the house?
Yeah.
Bad luck.
Bad luck.
Nah. I think if it's little umbrellas like that, it's okay. Just make sure you say a little prayer for some good juju, okay? Jump around 3 times and say good juju.
Good juju.
So are you guys excited for it to rain now?
Yes, we are.
I don't know when it's going to rain again.
Rain.
It might snow tomorrow.
Snow! Come to my bedroom. It's raining out here. Can you go to my umbrella? It's raining out here.
Can you get the umbrella on me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
But I have to go.
Oh, it's raining on my head. Cash, help me.
There you go.
Thank you.
It's not raining anymore.
Oh, it's sunshine.
It's raining sunshine.
I can feel my face when I'm with you.
When it rains, we do songs.
We do. What song do you want to sing?
I'm Miranda.
Hey, Merida.
I got this. I got this too.
You kind of look like Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins.
I look like Mary Poppins too. Meow. Meow.
See, woof woof.
Woof woof. Woof woof. Meow meow.
Cassie, come over here, puppy. Okay, roll over, puppy. Roll, puppy. Aw, good job, puppy. Good job. Can you wag your tail, puppy? Wag your tail. Can you beg, puppy? Can you go? Kitty cat, can you do tricks? Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, wow. What other trick? Can you wag your tail, kitty cat? Let me see you wag your tail.
Mommy, it's doggies. Doggies on the swimming pool and doggies on the rug.
Are those doggy pajamas?
Yeah, and they're naughty.
They're naughty?
Mhm.
Yeah, they are being kind of naughty, huh? Cute.
They're jammies.
Yeah, they're jammies.
That puppy jammies got pockets on them. angry, not making a mess. He was playing.
Oh, okay.
Cheese, 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 cheese. Cheese, cheese. Say cheese, Mommy.
Say cheese, Cassie. Lily, what are you doing?
Say cheese. Faster, Mommy.
I don't need to go faster.
Go faster.
Oh, joy, joy, joy. We're in our happy place, aren't we?
Hi.
Hi. We're running errands. We're getting paper towels and soap and cookies and...
Soap?
Yes, soap.
And he got a blue boat.
Who got a blue boat?
That's Puppy's shirt.
Oh.
We're at popcorn too.
Just a day in the life.
It smells like popcorn in here.
It sure does. Let's go down here. Why is it that every time I go to Target, I go in for some specific things and I walk out paying way more than I had planned to? What? What? Who is it? Oh no.
Can you lift me up and I can see?
Are you watching The Wicked Witch?
Yeah.
Scary. What does the Wicked Witch say?
He, he.
Yep. We've had a pretty relaxing week. Put all of the Christmas stuff away and just been getting back into our regular routine. And yeah, today is, what's today? Wednesday? Today is Wednesday and we are finishing up our lunch and the kids are about to go have some quiet time.
It's not Wednesday.
What day is it?
It's Saturday.
I wish it was Saturday. It's Wednesday. But yeah, they're about to go take a rest and yeah, it's been a quiet week.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Thanks for watching our vlog. I love you. I love you.